You might be amused how the magicians and the memory experts amuse their audience with their ability to remember complete pack of cards in order in which they were presented. Extraordinary as these feats may seem, they are not all that difficult and are usually quite straightforward, even though many people accuse the performer of having a hidden assistant in the audience, smart cards, and a number of other tricks. Now, the secret of remembering a complete pack of cards is to attach your key memory image for each card to the major system you have learned. All that is necessary to create a key memory image word for each card is to know the first letter of the word for the suit as well as the number of the card in that suit. For example, all the words for the dub cards will begin with C, all the words with the heart with H, all the words with the spades with S, and all the words for the diamonds with a D. The second consonant for the card word will be consonant represented by the letter from the major system. Now, how this works? How about example 5 of spades? You know that it must begin with S because it's spade card, and that its last consonant must be because it's 5, and the 5 in the major system is represented by L. Without much difficulty, you arrive at the word sail, which represents the 5 of spades. Another example, if you wish to devise a word for the 3 of diamonds, it must begin with the D because it is the diamond suit, and its final consonant must be M because the number 3 is represented by the M in the major system. Filling in with the first vowel, you arrive at the word damn, which is your image word for the 3 of diamonds. Now, as I have given you the list for the major system, I'm going to give you in the next lecture a list for the card system. Throughout the memorization of a pack of cards using the major system as the pegs on which the hand the 52 items, you can see that you are clearly using both logical, analytical, sequential, and numerical left side of the brain, and the imaginative, colorful, rhythmical, and sensual right side of your brain. From these two examples, I hope you can see how easy it can be to memorize an entire pack of cards in whatever order they happen to be represented to you. It is the most impressive feat to be able to perform in front of your friends, and if you want, you can also do it in front of the whole crowd. So the system described in this lecture is the basic to remembering the cards, but it doesn't take much to see that in the actual playing a card game, a memory system, such as this can be of enormous help. You have probably watched people repeating over and over to themselves the cards that they have been put down or which are in the other player's hands, and you have probably seen them, and you can see them being very unrest without knowing your cards or cannot remembering their own. So with your new memory system, such task will become easy and will fill you with joy. And whenever you use it for a serious card playing or simply for enjoyment, throughout the process you will be exercising your creative memory powers and increasing the usefulness of your brain.